Today we're talking about the Autograph Grand Virtual Instrument Piano plugin by Spitfire Audio, and this is part of their lab series, which is 100% free. So we're going to discuss it, we're going to look at it, and we're going to hear it all after this introduction. Alright, so the Autograph Grand, what is this actually modeling? Well, it is modeling a Yamaha C6 Grand from Woodshed Recording Studios in Malibu. It was used by several famous artists, as you can see down here on the screen, Lady Gaga, Paul Simon, Ariana Grande, etc. So I will say I'm not a huge Yamaha piano fan, so my opinions might be a little biased here. But ultimately, this video is being made for you to listen to decide whether you like it or not, okay? So with that being said, let's switch over to Pro Tools and take a look at the plugin. Alright, so I have the Spitfire Audio Labs plugin open here. And for those who aren't familiar with this plugin, this is really just a shell, alright? To actually get to the Autograph Grand, we gotta click this middle section here. And you're going to see I have a bunch of different lab series plugins or libraries in here, if we want to call them that. And you'll see here is the Autograph Grand. So to load it, all we have to do is select the Grand and it's going to load. So I'm not going to load it because I made some setting modifications to it. All right. So after you open it, you're going to get access to the parameters that you can adjust. So for the Grand, this here with the green icon at the bottom, this is strictly just a volume fader. I don't even know why this is in here because for all the Spitfire audio series, I just put this 100% all the time. So the fader next to it here, this is usually related to dynamics when we're talking about the lab series, but in this case, it's more like treble and bass. So the higher I turn this up, the brighter the piano gets. The lower I turn it down, the more bassy it gets, all right? And next to that, we have this rotary knob here, and to access the settings in it, we need to click this middle button. So we have two settings. We have tightness and reverb. So tightness is how quickly it cuts into the transient of the sound. So the higher you turn up tightness, the more punchy it's going to be. And the lower you turn it down, it's going to be more smooth. All right. And then for reverb, this is obviously the space that we're putting the piano in. And you have several different options up here at the top. So you'll see that we have spring, stretched, evolution, plate, and toasty. Evolution is the default, so I just left it on that. I thought it sounded pretty good, all right? So those are the main settings within this plugin. Those are the ones that you're going to adjust to get the piano to sound the way you want it to sound. And with that being said, let's actually take a listen to the piece that I wrote. It's more of me just kind of noodling here. But what I did was it covers the low, mid, and high keys of the piano, so you're going to get a really good idea of what this plugin can do, all right? So let's give it a listen. Alright, so that was the Autograph Grand by Spitfire Audio. So in the comment section below, let me know what you think and if you're going to add it to your collection or not. Alright, so if you guys end up liking this video, give it a thumbs up. please subscribe so I'm making this content for you and hit that notification bell to know when new videos coming out. And also feel free to check out audiosorcerer.com to see what services I can offer to you. With that being said, until the next video, I will see you guys later and peace out.